Step 1 is to learn how to use the hydraulic tube bending machine. The tube notcher machine, we learned how to use it on the previous video, F1 jack style. In the correct angles. It took a few trials, of course. Once the mainframe was set up, we sent some pictures to the scrutiny team, and they recommend to make some changes on the positions of the nuts for security. So no problem, now we have the technology and we know how to do it, so it took a lot less time. On the upper part of the roll cage, it is time to do some painting, lift the cage and start working on the rest of the reinforcement, but that's another thing.